some years back. Of course, she was a very talented person who entered the digital rising star. Step Thomas, Yallahs, all the surroundings, the environs, and we welcome to our stage, Brown Shuga!
What's going on, Yallahs? Good? So we have to represent the icon them. This one is from Queen Marcia Griffith. Come on, let me sing it, alright? There's a land that I have heard about. What was that pull up? Yeah man, we are all a vibe. To put the feel in the vibe, say go on Shuga. It's an Irie vibe. Big up Irie FM. There's a land that I have heard about, so far across the sea. Your turn. Sounded so lovely to have you on my dreamland. Would feel like heaven to me, yes, to have you on my dreamland. Would feel like pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Let's do it. Yeah, that's the one who tune, man. But I'm not tuning. So we can't sing some original now. If we can't sing an original tune, say go on Shuga. Say go on Shuga, my man. Alright, a long time in the country and I want it. They tell me I go out something to make it. So me enter rising star and me win it. Then me put my foot in the water to test it. Alright, now I mash me come to mash me come to mash it. And they get those moves when the people can have it. They we come to mash me come to mash me come to mash it. Girls with two man me and they grow to stop it. Tell them this season settle and calm. Cause I fear madness me see a one. Tell them this season settle and calm. I make we all good vibes over the land again. Season settle and calm. Cause I fear madness me see a one. Tell them this season settle and calm. I'm going to level now, listen to me. Alright, me here, woman a boss says she's split in a two. Every now and then I'm on the man up and pass through. Cause they have bills and things we do. She's now up and freak it attention due. No one real man here, so she give it the glue. He must stop her cause them want know if I true. He must them think pan cock and it ready for clapping beats. Our last beat the shit not can do. Come to mash me, come to mash me, come to you don't know. So if you love Jamaica, let me see the anthem I wave so. When you love Jamaica, you love where you come from, let me see the anthem I wave so, man. Alright, let me say, help me big up Jamaica, the land of food and water. Oh, I'm thinking my proper. Some people sell out the yard. That's stone behind them, but no one see back where them come from. But from your love your yard, let me see this. When we say he'll be big up Jamaica, the land of food and water. Our system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Boy, can't you see the beauty of this country? I never knew a serious thing until we reach up far. So what a nice place to live. The only problem is, so what a nice place to live. The only, we just think some original can already. Come on, talk to me now, man. Can I do something original on this ready? Because people do Jamaica sweet and nice. A whole heap of things go on, boy. We deserve a little fire, but don't it? We can't burn a fire. If we can't burn a fire, say go on, Shuga. Say go on, Shuga. What's the thing you're so sleep with a good lighter. Look at them deserve to dash in a fire. Me never know Jamaica would have reached that state, yeah. Where we have the car in the farmer. No one hear no blast, it's so strong, yeah. You can't tell me who murdered the Christina. I know fish she has tell no market your daughter. She too force right in a batty rider. Big man she has just 14. You are 45 so you want to top a little girl. You're not big fool right. I thought we were going to see the fire around here. So the tune here, I'm a new tune. What may I introduce you tonight? Irie FM has been supporting this song, so probably you'll hear it before. But we can introduce a new tune, don't it? Pull it up. Pull it. The one here named My Journey. So the journey rough enough. Journey can rough enough. Jaja. So may I share a story with you. Alright, listen. Give me a rhythm and my shots in a man. Cause me have couple things be a dress in a man. Right now me not care cause me right me not wrong. Only who feels it knows. Mama said by the sweat on your brow you shall eat in a man. So me travel from St. James straight to Kingston. Independence on me up ambition. Coming north of my future. Right in a man. When rising star 2009. Every day since 10, me dip on the grind. Plan up and tell me to wait for my time. But I'm a big woman and me have my kids for my mind. School up we go, school fee up we find. White squall can't buy my youth at lunchtime. Real survivor, now I'm hung up in a light. Now chopped and now sit down like me no waste time. I'm hustling, want elevate cause me tired of me struggling. Positivity get kick out of me juggling. Before me come free girl and I try out the muscling. Hey, put your car to drive. In this country of soul, taking change like this. Serve on the young man, one love. Give it up.